Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Nebraska City in Nebraska. And I'm visiting this windmill factory behind me. But the town looks so cool. We're gonna go walk around, check it out. There is a firehouse museum here. I really don't have time to check it out, but maybe I will walk it, we'll see. And there's this old car repair place. Actually, it's not old, they're still in business. You need a tire? That's why I like old towns, you see old cars. Douglas Tire Company. They had some neat murals when I drove through, so we're gonna get some shots of these. That's an advertisement for a sign. If you drive through it and you want to stop, check out these murals. I would guess this has been restored at one point in time. In pretty good shape. Bar and grill actually smells good. Wayne Feeds, Farm and Seed, and Dr. Priggle's phosphate baking powder. It's pretty busy. First Class Flowers. Old retro building. I don't usually take pictures of dentist signs, but that's a pretty nice one. The oldest public courthouse in Nebraska. Erected in 1864. I don't know what it says about society, but the courthouse is always the biggest building in this small town. Just a joke, but it's true. It is always the biggest building. I think I've seen a couple more murals down here. It's kind of an interesting looking building. This might be a small city. It's actually a really long city block and very busy city, which is good for them. There's Witzel's Hardware down here. We'll go check that out. Cool sign. Witzel's Hardware since 1954. And I don't think they're a hardware store anymore. Bummer. There's two more interesting murals. For Morton Salt and White Breast Pure Lard. That's the brand, White Breast. Okay. Dirty Ford drove by. I thought it was mine at first. Check out this. Nebraska City mural. Cool. Almost missed the one behind me. Nice. Let's put this on wide angle. That was Rosie the Riveter. You know, I think this town must be famous for their murals. If not, maybe they should be. This is a really fun find. Let's go see what else we can see. That looks to be a pretty old sign. And it's still a fabric store. Got a hardware store. Almost missed this one. There's a lot on this block. And almost every store is open. I am here on a Saturday in the middle of the day. I would hope they'd almost all be open. That's an oldie but a goodie. Sloan Drug, and I just seen this. And Coca-Cola. It's an old baking company. Cafe smells good out here. If you're in the net market. That was the only reason I filmed that cafe. It did smell good out front. I don't have time to stop. I have a tight schedule. This wasn't on the schedule. So they got a little looser. The Wheel, an old Coca-Cola sign. And the bar appears to be, oh, no minors after 9 p.m. Darn it, that's when I was free. I have noticed you have to walk down both sides because you can't get the proper view just walking down one side. We can get a closer look at the Coca-Cola sign. In Sloan Drug. Almost missed this one. The Oberlin Theater. I don't know if you should put now playing on your billboards. It makes it kind of hard to change when you change flicks. I wonder if that was the theater at one time, or if it's just, or maybe the building next door that's not there was the theater. We got a Woolworth mural and Argo cornstarch. Ooh. This is exactly why you walk both directions on both sides of the street. Well, you walk down one side and walk back the other. I missed this whole thing over here. Can't believe I didn't see it. You'll be like, how'd you miss that? You're like, come on, show me already. I completely missed the Pioneer Theater. The sign couldn't be any bigger. Signs, signs, everywhere there's signs. I found another one. Thanks for watching this small town video. I will see you guys someplace or another. Have a great day. Bye. Pretty cool sign. Shoes, $3.50.